This is a 2022 Scarab 165 ID with impact graphics. Color is black and white. The graphics are gray with a white interior with gray accents. This boat is 16 foot long. It's got a 7-1 beam. Fuel capacity is 20 gallons. It has a dry weight of 1,600 pounds. This boat comes with a Rotax 170 horsepower jet drive. It does have your standard marine mats, impact graphics, the convenience package, a trailering cover, and then you have some Reed cockpit flooring. There is not a lot of these boats out in the market right now, with the supply chain being backed up, so don't miss your chance to own one of these awesome boats. On the back, you do have a ski tow ring, as well as rear-facing seats. A nice, generous swim platform. Up top, you can see the bimini top. You do have a center walkthrough as well to get into the boat. Let's jump up into the boat and take a look at the interior. Inside of the boat, you do have wraparound seating up front with cup holders, as well as your stainless steel grand handles throughout. You do have removable cockpit flooring with center floor storage. You do have a little storage spot up top with your bungee cords, as well as your snap-on netting with your dry storage below. Across the back, you do have 3 seats with stainless steel cup holders. This does hold 5 people. On the dash here, you do have a couple toggle switches, your speed control, your gauges. Couple of speakers back here. And then you do have your Rotax 170 horse jet drive engine in the back. And you do have additional storage pouch in the locker here, as well as your battery and your battery switch. Again, this is the 2022 Scarab 165 ID with impact graphics in black and white.